Hi, my name is Jennifer. Stay in this video, that today I will tell you everything you need to know about ReviveDaily before you decide to buy the product. I want to warn you about two important things, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about ReviveDaily is, be careful about the website you are going to buy ReviveDaily, because ReviveDaily is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is ReviveDaily, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, ReviveDaily works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will adequately improve your mental, cognitive, and physical health. The dietary supplement is made from all natural components that have been shown in studies to have the ability to increase GH levels in the body and improve overall health. ReviveDaily is manufactured in a facility having full FDA approval and is equally GMP certified in the form of capsules. Additionally, the supplement is non-GMO and natural, making sure that the formula is void of synthetic stimulants and hazardous chemicals. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with ReviveDaily, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test ReviveDaily for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for ReviveDaily to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day. Take Revive with a glass of water between 45 minutes until 1 hour before bed, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, ReviveDaily has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy ReviveDaily from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that ReviveDaily actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.